What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and I am tired of seeing you guys getting absolutely destroyed by girls in the dating game. I know you're good guys. This community that we've built here on YouTube, it's all good guys. So why would I let you chase after girls, try hard to get them, all so that you can get a big fat no in the end? There's no way. That's not gonna happen here. Today, we're gonna go over how to change these roles. And instead of having you go after them, we're gonna make girls chase you. And don't forget that we're this close to hitting 1 million followers on Instagram. Huge milestone, I can't wait to get there. And the moment that I do, we're gonna be doing a huge giveaway, 10 winners, all right? So follow me, it's at Alex Costa, it's linked in the description below. And as soon as I hit 1 million, we're gonna have the biggest giveaway that I've ever done before. Okay, so to make girls chase you and reverse these roles, you're gonna have to put all of these tips together, okay? So make sure that you watch until the end and make sure that you watch all these tips. The first thing that you need to start doing right now is, you know what? You need to make her a little jealous. And girls use this trick all the time. They say something just to get your reaction, just to see if you're gonna be jealous or not. The moment they mention another dude, you're like, wait, what? When they don't answer your phone calls, you're like, wait, so what's going on? I thought we were cool. Exactly. They're putting these things into your head. So what are you gonna do? Well, basically, you're gonna drop another girl's name into the conversation. Oh, what am I doing tomorrow? I think I'm probably just gonna hang out with Julia. She's super cool. And then the next day, I don't know, I think Vanessa wants to go grab brunch or lunch. I'm not really sure. I'm just hanging out with some friends. And she's gonna be like, wait, is this girl like, who is she? What's going on? Trust me guys, they will start thinking about all different types of things. Don't do it all the time. You don't want to be that kind of guy who's always talking about other girls. But if you drop a few names here and there, I am sure that she will be interested and she will be jealous. And also it will make her think, hey, this guy has a lot of friends who are girls. Maybe he's a cool dude. Maybe I should, maybe I should be with this guy. The next tip that I have for you guys is use social media to your advantage. I'll tell you what, if you're hanging out with a girl, okay, maybe you're just friends, but you're trying to take it up to the next level, or maybe you're already dating a little bit, but not fully yet. Use social media, all right? Let her know that you don't need her to have fun. Don't be clingy. Post something on story. You're on a hike, post it. You're out with friends, post it. Don't be obnoxious, but just show her that you have a life outside of you two together. That will make her think, you know what, this guy's actually pretty cool. He's not blowing up my phone. He's out, he's having fun. I kind of wish I was there right now. Maybe I should call him. She will chase you because she wants what she sees on that screen. It is the best way to induce FOMO in a girl. She's gonna be feeling like she's missing out. She's gonna be feeling like she needs to be around you. She's going to crave whatever she's seeing on that phone. So post cool stories and photos and trust me, she's gonna be all over you. By the way guys, one of the bonus videos in the inner circle is an in-depth tutorial of how I take and edit my photos for Instagram. You guys know that I've stepped up my game when it comes to Instagram, where the quality has gone up big time, and I teach you how to do just that. For you guys asking, what is the inner circle? It's a VIP community that I created, made for guys who want to improve, that guys that just want to be the best version of themselves. No more just average. It's time to step it up and evolve to become the man that you've always wanted to be. We've had hundreds of guys join already, and the results we're seeing is crazy. Guys are finally stepping out of their comfort zone and growing and evolving. This is something that will change and improve you permanently because it's not just an amazing community of guys who want to be successful. The Inner Circle provides you with a lot of exclusive content like live video calls with me every single month. You can talk to me in the call, send over your questions, and I'll answer them right then and there, live on video. I also have longer videos there than here on YouTube, teaching you about the 3 pillars of impact, which are mindset, style, and communication. If you master those 3 pillars, think about it, you will no longer be the same person. You're gonna be a new and improved man. I worked so hard to get this community together and up and running, and I can't explain how happy it makes me to see guys taking it seriously. So check out the link in my bio and join the Inner Circle if you're serious about it. Trust me, you guys will make new friends, people who actually are working hard to become successful and change your life. Join the Inner Circle. The link is in the description below. It's alexcostastyle.com, and I will see you there. My next tip is something that girls do to us all the time, all the time. It's incredible the amount of times that this happens to a man throughout his life. You have to put her in the friend zone. This is the best way to make her crave more. If you go for the kill right away, if you go for a kiss, if you say, hey, I want to take you out on a date, hey, I really want to be with you, I want to be your boyfriend, it might be a little too much, and she has all the power now. She can decide the fate of this. Is it a yes or is it a no? And guys, you don't want to put her in that position. You want to make it so that it's a lot tougher for her to decide, because she doesn't even know if you want to be her boyfriend or not. So what you do is you leave her wanting more. She's going to be like, whoa, every guy that I talk to wants to hook up with me, but not this guy. This guy is actually treating me like a friend. And we were just talking, having fun, and all of a sudden he said, all right, I'll call you tomorrow, and left me? What is going on? What did I do something wrong? All of a sudden, my friend, you have the power, and the roles are reversed, and that's exactly what we want. That's exactly what we're trying to accomplish with this video. And the beauty is, you don't have to do it for long. You're gonna notice that she will start texting you. She will start calling you. She's gonna be like, hey, let's hang out. And that's when you know that she's craving to be around you. And that goes hand in hand with our next tip here. Don't text her back right away. Like, you just don't want to seem desperate for any girl. I hate the texting game, how you have to wait a little bit or you don't seem desperate, but that is just the way that it's built. If you text her back right away, it says a lot of things about you. First, it says that you don't have anything going on at that time, and you're just not busy, which means you're not fun. Second, it means that you're desperate, that you really have been waiting for that text for so long, giving her all the power. So you want to give it a little bit of time. All right, don't wait all day, don't wait overnight, but text her back whenever you can, whenever you're free. Don't stop everything that you're doing just so you can text her back. Now, of course, take this with a grain of salt, because if it's important and if you guys are having a good little banter, if you're going back and forth and text every couple of minutes, that's totally fine. But if you're doing this every single time, if she texts you, you text her back within 30 seconds, and then she doesn't text you back for 2 hours, that's not good. That's not how it should be working. Again, guys, the main goal here is to make her crave to be around you, to make her miss you. Next up, join her social circle. Become friends with her friends. To impress a girl, you have to impress her family, you have to impress her friends, her best friends, all of that, right? Well, if you become friends with her friends, it is easily the most attractive thing that you can do to a girl. She's gonna be like, wow, my best friend really likes this guy. There's something special about him. She's gonna be a little bit jealous. She's gonna be like, whoa, why is she talking to him? So what are they talking about so much? They've been talking for 20 minutes. That is going to make her want to go and see what's going on, want to go and talk to you. So become friends with her friends, join her circle, and that will make you more attractive, and she will want to be around you. And once in a while, disagree with her. Not to be annoying, just if you actually disagree with something that she's saying, make it known. Be verbal about it. Be like, you know what? I actually don't think that. I think it's the opposite. I think you're wrong with this. Girls like that. It's challenging. Don't be a yes man. Don't be saying yes to everything. Yes, you're perfect. I love it. Your ideas are awesome. No, you have your opinions. She has her opinions. Make sure that you voice yours in a nice way. Be a gentleman about it, but disagree with her when it's necessary, because she will like that you stood your ground, that you are a gentleman about it, and that you have your own values and opinions. So once in a while, it's okay to disagree with them. Guys, make sure to check out the inner circle. It's listed in the description below. Join. We've had hundreds of guys already, and it is going so well. I cannot wait to see you there so that you can take yourself up to the next level. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Alex Costa. I've been posting there. Trying to post as much as I can, considering the situation that we're in, considering that I've been home for 2.5 months. Hopefully things are getting better soon. Stay safe. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.